Once I learned these 5 manifestation lessons from Neville Goddard, my entire manifestation process changed. I went from having a hard time manifesting to instantly manifesting my desires. These lessons helped me achieve financial abundance and every desire that I wanted. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the fascinating world of manifestation through the teachings of Neville Goddard. So if you watch this video until the end and learn all 5 lessons, you will also be able to manifest your desires. So let's start. Number 1. The power of your thoughts and imagination. Neville Goddard believed that the power to manifest your desires lies within your thoughts and imagination. He taught that you can create your reality by changing your thoughts and beliefs, and by aligning them with your desires. This means that the thoughts you hold in your mind are the building blocks of your reality, and by changing those thoughts, you can change your circumstances. For example, let's say your desire is to become financially abundant. You might currently be holding thoughts such as "I can never seem to get ahead financially," or "money is always a struggle for me." These thoughts are limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck in your current financial situation. In order to manifest abundance, you need to start changing those limiting beliefs to ones that support your desire. You might start affirming to yourself things like "I am financially abundant," or "money flows to me easily and effortlessly." By repeating these affirmations and visualizing yourself living a life of abundance, you are aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your desires. It's important to note that simply thinking positively about your desires is not enough. Neville believed that it's not just about the thoughts you hold in your mind, but also the emotions and feelings that come with those thoughts. In order to truly manifest your desires, you need to feel as though they have already come true. This means giving sensory vividness to your imagined states by experiencing the emotions and sensations that would naturally come with having already manifested your desire. Number 2. Letting go of control and allowing for divine timing. Neville taught that it is essential to let go of the need to control the outcome and trust that the universe will provide for you in the best way possible. This means releasing attachment to specific outcomes and allowing for divine timing to take over. By surrendering control and cultivating a deep sense of faith and trust in the universe, you open yourself up to endless possibilities and opportunities. For example, let's say your desire is to find your soulmate. You might have a specific idea in mind of what you want your soulmate to look like, their personality, and their interests. However, if you become too attached to this idea and try to control every aspect of your search, you might miss out on the opportunity to meet someone who could be an even better match for you. By letting go of control and trusting that the universe will bring the right person into your life at the right time, you open yourself up to the possibility of meeting your soulmate in unexpected ways. Another example is if your desire is to start a successful business. You might have a specific plan in mind of how you want your business to launch and grow. But if you become too attached to this plan, you might miss out on opportunities to pivot and adapt your business to changing circumstances. By letting go of control and trusting that the universe will provide you with the resources and opportunities you need to succeed, you open yourself up to the possibility of new and innovative business ideas and strategies. Number 3. The importance of persistence and consistency. Neville Goddard believed that persistence and consistency were essential in manifesting your desires. He taught that it's not enough to simply visualize your desires once and then forget about them. You must continue to focus on them daily and take inspired action towards manifesting them. For instance, let's say your desire is to become a successful author. You might start by visualizing yourself holding your published book in your hands, seeing your name on the bestseller list, and receiving positive reviews from readers. However, visualizing alone is not enough to make your dreams a reality. You must also take action towards your goal, such as writing every day, attending writing workshops, and networking with other authors in your genre. By persisting in your efforts and staying consistent in your focus, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe that you are serious about manifesting your desires. Neville also believed that the key to successful manifestation lies in cultivating a deep sense of faith and trust in the universe. This means believing that your desires will manifest in the perfect way and at the perfect time, even if it doesn't happen exactly as you imagined. By trusting in the universe and the power of your own thoughts and imagination, you open yourself up to endless possibilities and opportunities. It's important to note that persistence and consistency do not mean forcing your desires to manifest. Neville taught that you must be patient and allow for divine timing to take over. This means letting go of the need to control the outcome and trusting that the universe will provide for you in the best way possible. Number 4. Sensory vividness and sleeping in the desired state. Neville Goddard believed that giving sensory vividness to your imagined states is crucial in bringing them into physical form. This means experiencing the emotions and sensations that would naturally come with having already manifested your desire. Neville stressed the importance of feeling as though your desire has already come true in order to bring it into physical form. Let's assume your desire is to travel the world. Instead of just visualizing yourself in different countries, give sensory vividness to your imagined states by imagining the smells, sounds, and tastes of each place you visit. Imagine the feeling of the sun on your skin as you walk along the beach in Burley, or the taste of fresh croissants as you sit in a Parisian cafe. By experiencing your desired state in your mind and giving it sensory vividness, you are signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive it in physical form. Neville also emphasized the importance of sleeping in the desired state. This means falling asleep each night as though your desire has already been fulfilled. By doing so, you are reinforcing the reality of your desired state in your subconscious mind and allowing it to manifest in your physical reality. It's important to note that giving sensory vividness to your imagined states and sleeping in the desired state is not about escaping reality or denying your current circumstances. Rather, it's about creating a new reality that aligns with your desires and allows you to manifest them in physical form. By doing so, you are opening yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities that you might not have otherwise noticed. Number 5. The bridge of incident. Neville Goddard often used stories to illustrate the power of imagination and the importance of being open to the unexpected ways in which our desires can manifest in our lives. The bridge of incident is the series of events that unfold in our lives seemingly by chance, but actually leading us towards the fulfillment of our desires. For example, let's say your desire is to start a successful business. You might attend a networking event and meet someone who introduces you to a potential investor. That investor might then introduce you to a business coach who helps you develop a winning strategy. These events might seem random at the time, but they're actually part of the bridge of incident that is leading you towards the manifestation of your desire. Neville believed that the bridge of incident is the universe's way of bringing our desires into physical form. It's important to remain open to unexpected opportunities and to trust that the universe is working in our favor, even if things don't seem to be going according to plan. If your desire is to find your soulmate, you might have a specific idea in mind of what your soulmate looks like, their personality, and their interests. However, if you become too attached to this idea and try to control every aspect of your search, you might miss out on the opportunity to meet someone who could be an even better match for you. By being open to unexpected opportunities and trusting that the universe will bring the right person into your life at the right time, you open yourself up to the possibility of meeting your soulmate in unexpected ways. It's important to note that the bridge of incident is not just about waiting for things to happen to us. We must also take inspired action towards our desires and be willing to step out of our comfort zones in order to manifest them. The bridge of incident can only lead us towards our desires if we are actively working towards them. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.